Listen to the passage and answer questions. Most children believe that birds' nests are their houses. But birds don't usually build nests for many years to live in. Most birds build a new nest each year. They need nests because they are a safe place for eggs and young birds. Often there are a lot of feathers in the nest to make it comfortable and warm. Birds use natural materials such as sticks, tree branches, stones, and others. Sometimes they use paper and other materials which are not natural. Nests have different shapes, but most nests are in the shape of a cup. Birds build nests in different kinds of habitat and at different times. They usually look for high places to build nests because such places are safer. They make them in trees, on balconies, or under bridges. Most birds build nests of the branches and in holes on the tree trunks.